Whew. Okay, it's hot out here. Let me make this quick. Alright, so this is the Hinkley Foundry. It's like a farmhouse light thing or whatever. It goes in like a specific way. Everything is like disassembled in the box. So you got this, you have this, you got the bracket, you have the canopy cover, you have other parts that go on the outer part of the fixture. So Hinkley packed what looks like a pull chain string, and you are supposed to use this to pull your wires through. It has like a pulling handle. At first I thought this was for getting the wires in there, but yeah, you're gonna use the chain itself to pull it through. So it's the first one I did. I used a piece of number 12 wire. This one I'm gonna try to pull it through with the pull chain, and yeah, I'm gonna tape it up, try to see if it'll go in there good, and I'll just take it from there. See if this was a better way to do this. I staggered each wire with the number 12 wire. It was pretty tough to pull it through, but that was the better way to like do this. At least before I knew about this method. So yeah, I got it. Still didn't get that back. I gotta get out of here. Yeah, I'm taping it up. And I'm supposed to just be able to use this handle to like pull it through, but I feel like you need to like push it through the other end to get this thing down there, so you don't lose your wire coming off of the tape. Yeah, so you just try to feed it through some and then pull from the other end. And yeah, I have the other end now, so it's just getting each like individual wire into there. If you stagger them, you're just gonna have to pull one at a time until you get them all even. And then there's some threads on the inside of this, so you just spin it around on here and it'll connect. I probably would just maybe spin the fixture. And then it'll get tight and it won't spin around anymore. Alright, so from there, you have to bring the entire fixture up. You can't just put the bracket onto the junction box first. Everything has to be like built as you bring it up there, but you have to bring it in a way to where there's enough space for you to get the screws on there. So yeah, you'll assemble it all like this way. This is going to be the front piece on here, so it'll go like this, onto there, and then it's a Allen key like lug on there, and this Hinkley sign, you need to have that on there next, because that is one of the outer parts. So that just sits there. There's a little gasket that goes in between here, and that just sits like that. So from there, that is the entire part of the light. And you gotta go in there. There we go. And the gasket will come out as you like slide it up and down on that part. And this is you bring the wires through. You have to pretty much wire everything and hold this like that as you wire everything up. So you'll end up with all of the pieces at once. Alright, so that part is done. Right, so everything has to be wired like ahead of time before you put the bracket on, before you put anything else on. So it looks like this. So yeah, you're gonna be, even though the fixture isn't heavy, you still have to hold the weight of it. From there you can hold the entire fixture, push those in there. You just go like that. Tighten everything down. Now it doesn't seem to need to be like, there it is. Okay, let me loosen that some more because it should be able to go back more. There we go. There we go. You should still be able to move the Hinkley sign upwards. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so it's, you got to do some building, but in the end it looks like great once it's done.